here's how to design wedding invitations using Canva. Today we're going to learn how to create simple designs like this for your wedding invitations, and then you can create any variation depending on the color and the theme of your wedding. I wish I knew this before my wedding, so yeah, enjoy. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open Canva and then click on custom size. Now you're going to get a screen like this, so you're going to switch the units from pixels to inches. So click inches, and now you're going to type in the width and the height. I'm going to put the width at 5 and the height at 7. Now click create new design. So this should open a brand new document on Canva, and now when you click on file, you will see that height and width that you selected. Now head over to photos and select a cool background. I'm gonna go with like a dark green theme, so I typed dark green background. Now right click on your image and then set it as the background by clicking set image as background. Now let's add some elements to this design. So go to elements and search for watercolor greenery. Another cool thing to search for is watercolor flowers, watercolor flower border. Now select your element and then adjust it to your canvas. I'm going to put it on top like this in the corner. And then if you want to duplicate it, click the square with the plus to duplicate. And if you want to switch the angle, click flip. Now you can move it to wherever you like. I'm going to go ahead and just keep it like as is and then move it to the side. And let's bring another element to the corner and the same one to the upper right hand side. Now to add some text, type the letter T on your keyboard, or you can go to text and add it from here. Let's go ahead and change the font style. So click on the font and then choose whatever you like. I'm gonna go with this free font right here. And now to change the size, I'm gonna make it about 9. Now the next thing to do is just type in your text. Okay, so now let's add some more text. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that exact same process that we did before. Now I'm going to type in the letter S, and that is the font style as well as the font size that I selected in case you're curious about that. And I'm going to continue adding the rest of the important information onto this invitation, and I'm going to also style it. To be consistent, I'm going to use that exact same font style as before. And to change the color of a font, you're going to click the A and then choose whatever color under the sun. Now go to elements and select a nice line element, and then in order to change the width or the thickness of the line, you can adjust it from here. If you want to change the color, you can click here to change the color, but I'm going to keep it white. Now you can adjust it to whatever width size that you like, and you can position it like this. Now I added some text to the bottom here, and now let's add a nice element in between. Go and search for a minimal flower outline. I found this really cool one, so I'm going to grab that and put it in the middle like here. And now search for a cool ring element and place it right here. And that's how easy it is to create something like this. So if you want to create a gold border, this is how to do that. Go to elements and search for a cool border and just add it. For this specific design, I went ahead and chose a nice white textured background and then purple watercolor flowers for the designs. And as you can see, these are so easy to customize and create for your wedding and your theme. And don't worry, I'll give you these exact templates for free. Now to export and print your wedding invitations, click share and download it to whatever file type that you like. You can also print with Canva. In case you didn't know, you can see they have an invitation print option, which is pretty convenient. I hope that tutorial was helpful. As always, if you want the exact template, you can get it for free on my profile. Follow for more Canva tips.